teacher. Of course, the 1997 Philippines Constitution, Article 14, ensure the state commitment to providing quality education and supporting educator like us, the sharing the nation future. Will Act number 578 ensure me that my hard work and recognize this law remind me that I'm value for my contribution to national development which motivate me to continue giving my best. Magna Carta for public school teacher protect our rights, welfare, and professional dignity, ensure we have to support the performance and duty effectively.